So the problem for this particular given is the missing number. So the difference between a number and its positive square root is 2. Find the number. Ulitin ko, the difference. When you say difference, what is that referring to? That's right, that is referring to subtraction. Between dalawang number, ano yung number? Of course, hindi natin alam. Sinabi lang dyan number. So kapag hindi natin alam, nilalagay natin is x, unknown. And it's positive, sinabi dyan, positive, so hindi yan negative. Square root, and its positive square root, so ibig sabihin, yung square root ng number na hindi natin alam is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. So, ano natin susulat yan? The difference of a number, ito yung number, and its difference is minus positive square root of positive, it's positive square root, that is square root of x, is equal to positive 2. Again, the difference between a number and its positive square root, ito yung positive square root, is equal to 2. So, ganyan lang natin i-represent yung ating equation. So, paano natin susolve yan? So, we have here this particular problem, and as you can see, kailangan maging quadratic form ito. So, how can we do that? So, of course, we will use some properties or axioms. Pero ang gagawin lang natin dito, transfer na lang muna natin si negative square root of x at si 2 sa kabila. So, we have here x minus 2, dating positive maging negative. So, right-hand side, dating negative x, square root of x, and it will become square root of x positive. Okay? Next, the thing is, we have to remove this one. Okay? Kasi kailangan natin mahanap yung number. No? Find the number, yung pala yung pinaka-goal. So, we get to square both sides. Okay? Which leaves us, we can cancel this particular square root. Ang matitira dito sa right-hand side, we have x. Sa left-hand side, we have x minus 2 squared. So, kapag meron tayong x minus 2 squared, anong gagawin natin dyan? We can expand. Okay? So, expand natin sa x minus 2 times x minus 2. Ibig sabihin, dalawang beses natin multiply itong dalawang terms na to sa sarili niya. Okay? So, next, using FOIL method, we can do the FOIL method here. Of course, first term times first term, we have x squared. Outer term, that is negative 2x. Inner term, that is negative 2x as well. And finally, the last term would be positive 4 equals x. Okay? As we continue our solution here, we have x squared, kinopya ko lang to, minus 2x, or negative 2x minus 2x, that is going to be negative 4x plus 4 equals x. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo dyan, i-transfer mo na si x sa kabila. So, we have x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4 equals 0. Finally, we have the standard form of, when you simplify this one, negative 5x plus 4 equals 0. Mahanap na natin yung isang x. So we have the factor of this particular standard form of the equation. The factor would be x, the factor of x squared. Find the two numbers that are the product of 4, and that is the sum of negative 5. That is going to be 2 and 2. But the thing, it's not 2 and 2. It's what we call 4 and 1. Not just 4 and 1, but negative 4 and negative 1. Again, negative 4 times negative 1, that is positive 4. Negative 4 plus negative 1, that is negative 5. Okay? Then finally, the two numbers are x minus 4 equals 0. X would be, when you transfer this one, that is going to be positive 4. Again, the next one would be x minus 1 equals 0. When you transfer this one, that is going to be x equals positive 1. Okay, so ang hinahanap number lang, hindi dalawang number. So, ngayon, paano ang gagawin natin kapag may dalawang roots na lumabas? So, dito na papasok yung checking natin. Okay? Kasi gusto natin ma-verify kung yung number ba na to ay equal saan? Sa 2. So, allow me to write here the solution. So, the equation. X minus square root of x equals 2. Okay? So, here, we have, dito natin lagay. The first checking. So, check natin kung pwede ba si, allow me to change the color. Kung pwede ba si x equals 4. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, we'll plug in, ilalagay lang natin si 4, papalit natin si x ng 4. So dapat equal daw sa 2. Yun kasi yung problem natin. So we have 4 minus square root of 4 equals 2. Is that equal to 2? 4 minus square root of 4, that is 2, equals 2. 4 minus 2, that is 2, equals 2. Totoo ba yung equation? Is this true? Yes. Ibig sabihin, one of a number is x equals 4. Now, let us try x equals 1. What if, sa checking natin na pangalawa, try naman natin si x equals 1. Ang tanong, si x equals 1 ba ay equal sa 2? Let's try. So we have 1 minus the square root of 1 equals 2. 1 minus square root of 1, that is 1, equals 2. 1 minus 1, does that equal to 2? No, it's not. That is equal to 0. So hindi sila pwede because 0 does not equal to 2. So ibig sabihin, si 1 ay hindi pwede. So ang hinahanap na number dito, okay, ay si x equals 4. And that is gonna be our final answer. Okay? Next is, this is gonna be the final problem. What is your age? Age problem.